Welcome to Math Magic Concepts. Having learnt why we have days, months and years with season, in this session we are going to take a closer look at week, months and a year. Moon goes round the earth in 30 days and this duration is called a month. For convenience we have divided the month into 4 weeks of 7 days each. In a week we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. After Saturday comes Sunday again. Who doesn't wait for Sunday to have fun? Here is a sample calendar for the month. As you can see, you have days of the week starting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and in the end Saturday. Usually in a month you will have 4 weeks plus 2 or 3 additional days. Look at the sample calendar and answer the following questions. Which day is the 19th of April 2018?
Let me search for 19th day of April. It is a Thursday.
Which day is the 29th of April 2018?
1st, 8th, 15th, 22nd and 29th, all these dates come under the column Sunday of the month. So 29th is a Sunday.
Timetable in your school is usually organized for a week. Sample timetable is given below. It is similar to a monthly calendar. Answer the following questions looking at the sample timetable. Which days of the week do you have games?
I see some of the days I have games in the third period. If I look at column number 3, I see I have games on Monday, Wednesday and Friday.
Which days of the week do you have drawing classes?
Oh, drawing is also scheduled for third period. If I look at column marked for third period, I see we have drawing on Tuesdays, Thursday and Saturday.
Which days of the week do you have music?
I can see music in the column associated with 6th period. I see we have music on Mondays, Thursday and Friday.
Well done. With this, seeing the timetable and calendar should be easy. If you recollect, we had learned that Earth takes 365 days to go around the Sun. This time taken by Earth to go around the Sun is called 1 year. As it goes around the Sun, Earth is slightly tilted on its axis. This causes seasons. For convenience we have divided the year into 12 months, of approximately 30 days each. The 12 months in a year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. The number of days in each month is indicated in the table. Easy way to remember the number of days in a month is by holding hands as shown in the picture. If you start counting from the knuckles of the pinky finger, all knuckles have months with 31 days, while all grooves between knuckles have months with 30 days. Exception is for February, which has 28 days, and once in 4 years 29 days. Hope now you have a firm understanding on days, weeks, and months in a year.